Manual stretch wrapping machine. Mount the circular turntable platform onto the base of the machine. Insert the fixing bolts and tighten them securely using a tool. Manual operation design enables cost-effective and electricity-free pallet wrapping. Unfasten the screws and remove the spring from the vertical mast. Attach the stretch film roll holder to the vertical mast. Adjustable film tension control allows tight and uniform wrapping of products. Lock the stretch film holder using the cap spring and bolts. Compact and space-saving structure is ideal for warehouse, dispatch areas, and small units. Place the product or carton at the center of the circular turntable. Pull the stretch film and attach its end to the product or pallet base. Rotate the turntable manually to start wrapping the product. Continue rotating until the required number of wrapping layers is completed. Cut the stretch film using a cutter. Change the position of the carton and wrap the remaining area again. After wrapping is finished, cut the stretch film using a cutter. The product is now fully and securely wrapped. Sturdy steel construction with white powder coating ensures durability and corrosion resistance.